Hi, this is Bob Tambury with Ashley Audio. We're here at ISE 2020. Thanks for joining us here at the Ashley booth. We've got an exciting new amplifier technology to show you. This is our new CA series, and this represents a reinvention of Class D design. These are ultra-high efficiency, very high performance amplifiers designed for installations in places like house of worship, theater, performing arts centers, and so on. You need high power, high current, absolute best sound quality, but the real important factor here is the efficiency level. These run extremely efficiently, meaning they'll draw way less current, so you don't have to pressure your customers into upgrading their entire electrical service just to have a high-powered system in their facility. We actually have very low current draw, and the other benefit is that they run very, very cool, so you're not worried about the problems that occur from amplifiers getting overheated or working overtime. They're very happy running at 2 ohms all the way up to 70 and even 100 volt. They're offered in 6 versions. We have 2 channels giving you 500 watts per channel, 1,000 watts per channel, or 1,500 watts per channel. And then we have a 4-channel version with the same power levels, 500, 1,000, and 1,500 watts. These are shipping soon. You'll be seeing other products based on this new D-Max, next generation Class D technology that we'll be offering in the near future, but this is the game changer. CA series at the Ashley booth here at ISE 2020. If you'd like more information on the CA series, you can go to our website. It's www.ashley.com. See you again soon.